Have you ever found out the person you trusted most was lying to you? I died on my 18th birthday. When I opened my eyes, I was back in my school uniform, sitting in the same classroom where my best friend Clara had smiled at me before she ruined my life. But this time, I knew the truth. She was not my friend. She was the one who stole my scholarship, who spread lies about me, who made everyone hate me. And now I had a second chance. I could change everything. I could stop her before she destroyed me. But first, I had to pretend I still trusted her. The bell rang. Clara turned to me with her sweet smile. "Ready for the exam?" she asked. I smiled back. "Yes," I said. But inside, I was ready for something else. "My name is Sophia. I am 18 years old. I go to Westwood High School. I am a good student. I study hard every day. My dream is to go to a good university. But I need a scholarship. My family does not have much money. My best friend is Clara. We have been friends since we were kids. She is also smart. We both want the same scholarship. Only one student can get it. The scholarship is for the best student in the school. The winner is chosen by the teachers. They look at our grades, our exams, and our behavior. I trust Clara. I tell her everything. I tell her about my study plans. I tell her about my fears. She always listens. She says she wants me to win. "You deserve it, Sophia," she says. "You work so hard." I believe her. But in my past life, she lied. She told the teachers I cheated on an exam. She showed them a fake note. I got detention. I lost the scholarship. My family was sad. I felt like a failure. Now I am back. I remember everything. I will not let her win again. The exam is in 1 week. I have to be careful. I cannot show that I know her secret. I have to act normal. But it is hard. Every time she smiles at me, I want to scream. "Sophia, are you okay?" Clara asks. "You look tired." I force a smile. "I am fine," I say. "Just nervous about the exam." She pats my hand. "Do not worry. I will help you study." I nod. But I know her help is poison. The next day, Clara invites me to her house to study. I remember this day. In my past life, she gave me a drink that made me sleepy. Then she put a cheat sheet in my bag. The teachers found it the next day. I was accused of cheating. I could not defend myself. No one believed me. But now I am ready. I go to her house. She gives me a glass of water. "Drink," she says. "You need to stay hydrated." I pretend to drink. I hide the water in a plant when she is not looking. Then I wait. She thinks I am sleepy. She smiles. "You look tired, Sophia. Maybe you should rest." I pretend to yawn. "Maybe you are right." I close my eyes. I hear her move. She opens my bag. She puts something inside. Then she leaves the room. I open my eyes. I take out the cheat sheet. It is a piece of paper with answers. I put it in my pocket. I leave her house. The next day at school, the teachers call us to the office. They search our bags. Clara looks confident. The teacher finds nothing in my bag. Clara's face turns white. But I saw her cheat, she says. The teacher looks at her. We found nothing, Clara. Are you sure? Clara stammers. Maybe I was wrong. I stay quiet. But I know this is not over. Clara will try again. She wants the scholarship too much. That afternoon, Clara finds me in the hallway. You think you are smart, she whispers. This is not over. I look at her calmly. I know, I say. But I am not the same person I was. She walks away angrily. I feel a shiver. What will she do next? The exam day arrives. I am nervous but ready. Clara sits next to me. She looks at me with cold eyes. The exam is hard. But I studied well. I answer every question. Clara finishes early. She looks at my paper. She tries to copy my answers. I cover my paper with my arm. The teacher sees her. Clara, keep your eyes on your own paper, the teacher says. Clara blushes. After the exam, the teachers collect the papers. They will announce the winner tomorrow. I walk home alone. I feel tired. But I also feel hopeful. Maybe this time I will win. The next day, the whole school gathers in the auditorium. The principal stands on stage. The winner of the scholarship is Sophia Reyes. I cannot believe it. I won. I look at Clara. Her face is red. She is angry. She stands up. Wait, she shouts. Sophia cheated. I have proof. Everyone looks at her. The principal frowns. What proof, Clara? Clara pulls out her phone. I recorded her. She had a cheat sheet in her bag. She plays a video. But the video shows Clara putting the cheat sheet in my bag. The auditorium gasps. Clara's face goes white. No. That is not what happened, she says. But it is too late. The principal looks at her. Clara, you are the one who cheated. You will face detention. And you will not get any scholarship. Clara starts to cry. But I do not feel sorry for her. I know she would have done the same to me. I walk up to the stage. I accept the scholarship. My family is in the audience. They are crying with joy. I smile. This time, I won. I learned something that day. Trust is a gift. You give it to someone who deserves it. Clara was not my friend. She was a liar. But I do not hate her. I feel sad for her. She wanted the scholarship so much that she forgot what is right. I forgave her. Not because she asked, but because I wanted to be free. Holding anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. I let go. I focused on my studies. I went to a good university. I became a teacher. Now I help other students who face the same problems. I tell them my story. I tell them that second chances are real. You can change your fate. You just have to believe in yourself. And remember, the people who try to bring you down are not your enemies. They are your teachers. They teach you who you can become. So if someone betrays you, do not break. Rise. Because you are stronger than you know.